continuing our series of which type of care is right for you. Thanks for joining us again. My name is Dr. Allan McCord at Kent East Chiropractic. And this video today is about the spine and nerve system. And one of my first questions that I always like to ask practice members is really what runs your body, your heart or your brain? A lot of times people are confused, and it is a confusing question. And the reason it is because in medicine, which is the primary type of care today, deals with crisis and disease, and because heart attacks and stroke are the number 1 and 2 killers, there's a lot of focus on heart health, so it confuses us as to really what runs the body. It's not the heart. However, you want a healthy heart and blood vascular system, it's actually the brain and the nerve system that runs the body. So today we're talking about the spine and nerve system. And the brain, actually, your brain and spinal cord, is the master computer system of the body. It has over 100 billion neurons, can store 100 trillion bits of information. The brain and spinal cord send over 3 million messages per second to every cell, tissue, organ in the body. And you see I have the model of the spine here, and how the spine plays into this is it actually is made of a series of 24 movable bones called vertebra. You've all heard of that. And it actually protects the spinal cord and the delicate nerves. Is one of the major purposes of your spinal column. And your nerves come out of these openings. You have 31 pairs of nerves. When you total up the length of all your nerve system, it's 45 miles long. And your brain and spinal cord send signals through your body at speeds of up to 170 miles an hour. So your nerve system is really, and I'm calling it a nerve system. A lot of us have been trained to call it a nervous system, and I choose not to have a nervous system. I don't think my nervous system is nervous. My nerve system is actually the system that runs the body, and this is what we do as chiropractors, is we influence the health of the body by making sure these vertebrae are properly aligned so that your nerve system works ideally. Chiropractic is less about pain and more about function, and the key to your overall function, according to Gray's Anatomy text, is your brain and spinal cord and the nerves as it's running all the other systems. So be sure to check out the entire series that we have that will help you decide which type of care is right for you. Thanks again for joining us, Dr. Allan McCord.